There we go. Hello, everybody. It's
Fun.
spooky time.
Fun is infinite forever.
Yes,
Fun
and
is infinite.
I don't know why we're both Sonic. You're
How
right.
am I both Sonic? I'm Mario.
Uh,
I guess Alfred it doesn't work.
no, it shows. No, it does work.
So does it show me as Mario?
No, it shows you as Sonic. Oh shit.
In that case, I'll be 64 Mario.
I should go home and get to bed. Go to bed. Yeah, maybe you should.
What if I don't want? What if I want to go to bed? What if I want to stay up and like be like? Yeah, actually, yeah, I should go to bed. I have black circles around my eyes anyway.
Yeah.
That's freaking
Where are
awesome.
you?
I'm trying to find the player model real quick. I'll be right there.
Okay.
Just grab and just.
Like. You're Wario.
Since when did Wario get so like a
Skinny.
little bit skinny and oh turn on the microwave or something while I try. What the hell?
You said turn on the microwave.
Oh yeah, you meant the mic. Okay, yeah, you do that.
There's no such thing as a microwave.
You want a bit?
Yes, I want a bed.
Okay, go find the microwave then. Since you're so smart,
I am smart.
indeed you are.
Wait, do I have the fur?
Found the
Wait, let me check
perfect
if I have that
PM.
fur ball model. I want to play as that again. Where is it? There it is. The little fur ball. I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be purple kitty. Meow. Bubbles.
You're here.
Meow.
What? This whole map is new to me. Explain.
It's basically a map where I guess we're like I don't know, a teenager.
We get drunk or something.
I don't know.
And that's why we're
I guess we
roaming
were. I
around
don't know
this
why
place.
we were sleeping in hay.
Why did that hay look like like a car covered in like
Hay.
a giant microwave error?
Oh, giant microwave error. It's literally just an error.
Whatever, I don't even care. Yeah, it's a giant error, but I don't care. Just turn it on.
We should just go upstairs and go to bed.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going upstairs. Totally.
Parents' room.
Open the door right.
That's the
You know what?
bathroom.
That's it.
No, don't touch that.
Disintegrate.
Wait, where's our bedroom?
Can't even open things.
I have no idea where our bed. I think nope.
Where is the bed? Is it behind? Okay, parents.
Wait, let's check. Let me check. Nope. Wait, I think it's downstairs.
Even is this the bathroom? Yeah, this is the bathroom. Oh, freaking doors!
Our
You didn't
bedroom is
cooperate with my
downstairs.
orders before. Why did it have to be downstairs? That just makes it a whole lot creepier.
Well,
You're probably asking, how does that make it a whole lot creepier? Possibly because, most of the monsters roam down here.
You gotta click E on it down here.
I totally was sleeping. I totally didn't have my eyes open the entire time. Yeah. I'm so hungry.
Okay.
Well, first I need to go and. Well, first I need to go post. First I need to go post on my Instagram real quick. So let me just.
I'm literally playing as Squidward, and my profile picture is Squidward.
I'm trying to turn on this PC so then I can actually post on my Instagram.
Oh, it's only 1 a.m. Bro, I stay up until like 1 a.m. and like.
Jesus, did we only sleep for like 2 seconds?
I'm sitting on the table.
Oh, wow, that's a nice Easter egg. It's a fire with a gun. Perfect.
Microwave.
Oh wow, the error is glowing with and it's making a microwave. Hell up, you microwave. We get it.
Sound like boyfriend.
Shut up! I didn't even ask for your opinion.
Oh, my father locked the door while
Father locked the door while I slept. Oh, he better open this door right now. I need to see the
I'm
many.
literally sticking my nose in the food, like.
Why is it so dark in this one area? Yeah, I'm getting out of here.
I'm going back to bed.
Peter, hurry up and go back to bed. We stand as we sleep. Okay.
Wait a minute, changing the player
This
model
window
again.
scares me. What time is it? How the hell does a window scare you?
Is this a nightmare?
Possibly.
Let's wait. Gotta check the clock again. It's only 1:03. We only slept for like 3 minutes.
Pretty much.
Only 3. No, let's go upstairs.
Okay, so no matter how. Okay, so let's just get this straight. We probably just don't sleep at all.
What are they? What is the character?
Because every
me?
single time we try to close our eyes, apparently something random happens and we need to wake up.
So this is basically me. This is my nightmare.
Wait, this is actually you?
No. Let's go upstairs.
You know you can run full speed, right?
Yeah.
So useless.
Wait, we have to check. Wait, maybe we have to go back to bed. Check the bedroom. Check the bedroom. I have to go to.
Why? I don't want to go back to bed. I don't want to sleep for the next 3
What are-
seconds.
What are those steps? Quick. I should go back to bed.
Now.
Yeah, we're totally going to bed for the next 3 seconds. What are these steps? Maybe mother or father? Nah, I think it's actually
You call
a
them,
monster.
You call them mom and dad, not mother and father.
It doesn't matter. He's probably like one of those luxurious people.
Hello.
No, I can't. I should.
Why do I
What
look
the hell?
Why do I look like B-side?
Finally, my freaking crappy 3,000-year-old PC works. Now I can go post on my Instagram where I am.
What? Yeah, this is pretty much an old PC from like the olden days.
This thing is literally 3,000 years old. I don't know what the hell you talking about. What the hell wrong with you?
Look at me.
Ew.
I'm literally.
You're nasty. You
Mm.
turned into something nasty.
Windows XP. Windows XP. Windows XP. That's pretty funny.
LOL.
Infinite.
Where is Instagram on this thing?
Why are you infinite?
Oh, what you want? You see, what did I tell you? This PC is so old. Oh my lord, bro. You know what? Give me the physics gun. I gotta throw this thing back in the garbage dump.
Wait. Oh god. I'm scared right now. Wait. Let's go. How about we go?
You
to
know,
the-
getting that all for Alpha Daddy Dearest's stupid workshop was a bad idea.
Who's opening this door?
Jesus.
Jesus, indeed.
Yeah, your nightmare got me.
Wait.
Will my 3,000-year-old PC work now? No, it won't. You PC.
Oh,
I don't like
my
you
dad-
anyways.
Need my mom. Need my mummy.
I like my new boyfriend impression. It's actually good. Hurry up. Hurry up. What? It can't be. Who the hell is this?
I should get out of the house.
Yeah, I gotta get the hell out of here.
Listen, trust me.
Yeah, we need to get the hell up and out of here. Y'all get the hell up and out of here. Y'all get the hell up and
Y'all,
out of
let's
here.
get y'all, my y'all, ladies. Let's get the hell out of here.
Look, I should find the basement key. You mean to tell me that you're gonna shove us down? Oh my lord. Oh, I always loved my girlfriend.
Gotta go fast.
Nobody else.
Check the bathroom.
You wait, you freaking black creature.
Would you call
Literally.
me?
Turn on third person, and then you'll see what I'm talking about.
I need to be. The key.
Yeah, you're literally bacteria from the black rooms. I didn't mean it like that. I actually meant that you were actually the color. Darkness.
80, 89,
There's a
90.
key here. Get this key. Nobody cares about what the hell the radio's gotta say. Just grab the key.
It plays meme
Turn on the
songs.
radio.
Oh,
I didn't even
no.
break anything. What? See, this is why I don't like. This is why I watch the news on the phone.
I watch the news on TV. I don't really watch TV. That music is no.
Neither. I'm too busy harassing random people to rap battle. Hey, last week I actually harassed a demon hedgehog to rap battle me. It was fun. What? Oh, what? You didn't think you were next? Oh, yeah, you're next, buddy. You're next. Don't you worry.
Give me the key. Give me the key right fucking now. I'll eat you. I'll eat his newborn baby if you don't give me the key.
When in the hell were radios freaking mammals?
I was talking about your newborn. Get that music
What?
away from me.
Was it because I said something?
That music is terrifying. Just kidding, it isn't.
I'd much rather have a baby than not have a baby at all. Spoiler alert,
Just
you.
give me
Now
the-
get this key.
Give me-
Сейчас срочные новости. В доме семьи Мерфи происходит что-то.
Nobody cares about what it is. Just
Что мы смогли узнать от их
let's screw this. How about?
It literally
I'm gonna
takes
break the
a-
door.
шаги.
I don't got time for this. I do not have time for this.
Just
I'm gonna
give
break
me
the door.
Give me the freaking key, lad.
Были слышны крики взрослых.
Can you anything in this map. There's that
Not
man.
bad news. I can't break the door, and there's an eerie feeling down here. So I'm running back upstairs.
They go like,
Ain't get the key yet, bro. What is taking you so long?
I don't know, you. Oh, finally we can grab it.
The hell you calling an a-hole? Gotta come over there and slap that them freaking VR goggles off your head.
These are my VR goggles. You can't have them.
Your head literally looks like a pack of VR goggles. Shut up.
Open the fucking. Wait. Please. Oh wait. Oh fucking.
Just open the
I'm
door.
an
Open
idiot.
the door.
Gotta go upstairs.
Where are you going?
Upstairs.
Wait for me. You can't leave me behind.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Are we literally about to go in the basement?
Yes, this is Hello Neighbor.
Oh my lord. The basement is the one place that Bonnie camps and waits for you. What is he gonna do? Is he gonna punch you? Or worse, take you on a
I should find
date?
a
Find out next time on
Find out next time on fuck.
Yeah, I think I wanna go back upstairs.
Flashlight.
Will Bonnie come down here and take me on a date or kill me? Find out next
I'm
time
being
on
more.
Freddy Ball Z.
I'm being a man.
I hear footsteps. Not like what? Okay, I actually
This
heard
way.
footsteps. Let's get out of here. Yeah, I ain't going back there. Hell no.
Gotta go
But this is
fast.
the way we went.
Gotta go fast.
How about you go any faster? I would really appreciate that.
Hello. Is anyone in here? I'm hungry. I want to eat your babies.
Hello.
I'm hungry. I want to eat your babies.
Stop eating babies and eat actual food.
Never. Huh? Kitty? Kitty? Kitty cat? I heard a meow.
Don't open that. There's probably a giant creepy daddy deer spider in there. Don't open it.
Daddy Dearest isn't real. He was never real.
Daddy Dearest is real and he's a fucking spider. He's a deadly weaponized spider.
Parents hid the
Parents hide car keys.
No
Why
shit,
would I need
Sherlock.
car keys? Why would I need car keys if I've been able to fly in numerous of mods?
Let's go the opposite way.
How about like we not go the opposite way where we heard random
going
footsteps
this
that were
way.
not ours?
Whoa.
Hurry up! I don't got all day.
I have a different way of getting in. Leave it to me.
Ah! Open, you stupid door! Oh
Open,
wow,
you
it's actually
stupid
blue.
bit.
My favorite color in here. I like how my face reflects on the wall. Oh god, hell no. Oh hell
You need
no.
to hide.
I
you
hear
need to hide,
footsteps
you
out
need
there.
to hide. Quick,
Right
get
there
in the
now.
closet. Get in the closet. Close.
Am I really hiding with bacteria right now?
Yes. Turn off the flashlight.
What are we hiding from?
A zombie.
Really, a zombie? Dude, I'm pretty sure we all played Left 4 Dead. We can all kill it.
This zombie's more terrifying than other. Just see this.
Little look-
Just see your smushed face. Mm,
Hey, so what did the zombie look like that was so scary? It was probably a Plants vs. Zombie zombie.
what? Mm,
Hey, Spidge Bib. That case.
What? No, don't be Patrick. Oh god, I thought you were about to be Patrick, but your bubbles.
Want me to become Patrick?
No.
Yeah, this is boyfriend gaming.
No, this is my gaming.
Yeah, whatever.
Open. No, we can't go out there. We gotta hide. Wait. I don't know if we open it. Should we find out?
Yes, we should find out. Open the door.
Wait.
Where did you see this so-called zombie? What? Who the hell locked the door?
Quick, get in here now.
You better close these
have
doors right
20
damn now.
Look, there we go. We have 25 seconds. What can we do in 25 seconds? Oh, I know. Have a
What are
family.
we? Wait, what?
Just kidding. You have 15 seconds. Jesus Christ, that fast? You have 10
Jesus.
seconds.
Yeah,
10,
you
9,
have
8,
10
7, 6,
What
5,
is
4,
it
3,
counting
2.
down to?
We had to hide. 3, 2, 1. Just gets
I'm
jumped.
curious. What were we hiding from?
A zombie. Like there was like this. Oh god.
Bro, all we could have done was just get in a gun. Did we get out?
don't do anything. Just stand still and don't open the door.
Idiot.
Squidward Gaming. Think he's gone. Think he's gone. Sticking in mouth.
No, he's not.
He's going out the other way.
That doesn't matter.
Is he fucking the boxes? How's
Nah,
that-
he's probably. This is actually how This is probably how zombies have babies at this point.
Ew. That's
You
nasty.
expect them to have- What, Plants vs Zombie? What else are we gonna do?
I don't know.
I swear, I'm telling you right. I'm gonna tell you right now. If he opens these doors,
We're about to get. We're about to get like jump scared. Like. It seems he's
it
gone.
seems
I
he's
have
gone.
time to escape.
How the hell do you know? You didn't even open the door.
Really? I got jump scared by Jeff the
What?
Killer. Of course, Jeff the Killer.
Ow! There's nobody even here.
I got jump. Like, be lucky you didn't get jump scared by Jeff
I didn't even see anybody.
because you didn't see the image. I literally got
There's actually a
teleported.
Jeff the Killer image here.
Yes, there's a.
Well, I'm gonna see it in the video either way. So
Okay. Oh my goodness. How is this kid that lazy to not see there's a little... I don't even know if our character is a kid, or a teenager, or a freaking adult.
what?
Oh. We were
You
kidnapped.
see what I tell you? I knew we should have left. Oh, okay. To be continued.
Oh, we got this toy.
Perfect. Toy room. Very secret room. Don't enter. Holy really.
Huh? Oh, I'm in the toy room.
Oh, that's too bad.
What's this?
Very secret room. Do not enter.
Like
The
any...
bloody room, part 2.
We can no clip.
Part 2.
Uh,
Oh,
can't
well,
see
here's a
us.
toy room. It's an actual toy room instead of the.
I
Yeah,
can The thing just says
empty
you
room.
can't see it outside the map. Man, these people are clever. They know how to code and everything.
You can't see it outside.
Where is it? Okay, where? Wait, what the? What's this?
These doors
Oh.
are trash. Trash.
These some crap.
Yeah, it's actually modeled. That's awesome.
these
Free
toys are-
toys for everybody.
These are just blocks. Yeet. Wait, can we get weapons?
Just throw these blocks.
Nope, you can't get weapons. This is a baby,
Meh.
baby doll. No, give me this. I'm gonna. No, wait. I see. It just
That
fell.
sounded creepy.
Like I said before, we do not eat children.
Yeah, that's not what you said 3 seconds ago when you were bacteria.
No.
Freaking person.
I'm not a person.
Be lucky that I can't even throw. Be lucky I can't even throw this stupid thing.
We clip back to the freaking area we were just like the the horror map. Oh, you can't be clipped
Well, we
back.
can't.
They are so smart.
Whack!
Wait, what if
What if
I
I
what if I
just-
die? Nope.
I can't even kill myself. I can't even kill myself. Dang. I guess we're stuck here forever. Back rooms, but you're stuck forever.
Don't worry. Look what we have.
Why do your underwears look like they were just painted on because you couldn't find any good clothes?
Like, yeah, that's kind of true. Squidward. I'm
Squidward.
Squidward.
Bad word.
Why do I look like Why do I look like that one guy from Fairly Odd Parents?
Because you are Mr. Krabs Gaming.
No, Mr. What was his name? Mr. Cracker. I have-
Mr. Cracker.
Yeah. I am now kitty cat.
You're a cat now.
This doll is alive. That baby is annoying.
Why are you throwing the baby?
That's not annoying.
Just put it on the couch and leave it there for all eternity.
Yes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
You keep your arms in the air that long.
Ah. What? What? I'm invisible!
That's cool.
Oh, Ragmorph doesn't work.
Yeah, he would. Maybe I could still see you.
Wait, I have weapons! I have weapons! No, I lost them!
You get weapons.
I have no idea. They just took my weapon. Give me
You spawn
that.
ragdolls though.
Give me that. Give me that back.
Lucky you could spawn ragdolls.
I didn't spawn that in. That's me. That's literally my dead body. And oh shit. I'm stuck. Well, that's it. Well, I guess that's it for this.
Dig.
Well, I guess that's it for this video. Goodbye.